Hi, I'm Corey Kundert with Kundert Construction. We're here with our founder, Chad. We're out on site today. We're putting our panelized walls up. A while ago, we made a video about building these walls in a factory. Now let's bring it on site. Chad, what are the guys doing here?
Well, right now they've dug through and found the wall panels that go up. So every one of them have a number on them. And TJ there, he has the sheet of paper that has the numbers on them and tells us which wall goes where.
So we talked in the factory about how it's really nice to build these walls there, bring them on site. Can you talk a little bit more about why you decided to go that route?
Well, the whole reason is that it saves time. We probably save roughly almost 2 weeks on a framing job this way. And over the course of the whole build, we'll save roughly a whole month because it just speeds up the entire process. Mm-hmm. All components just end up going faster.
Yeah, it's a lot less wear and tear on the crew, which is really nice. And
yep, for sure.
Yeah.
They're not bent over for 2-3 weeks nailing walls together, and we can generally have these walls set in a day or two and have the trusses on and start roofing within a week and a half.
So in a traditional stick framing, say you're doing a 1,500 square foot house, what's that look like when you're stick framing? How long does that take?
You're probably looking at roughly 3 weeks to get it under roof.
Okay, so we're definitely saving a lot of time on that side.
There's a week and a half right there, like I say, and then all the components come together. You can get the subs in earlier, so they're getting done faster. There's not as much of a factor with weather. You know, we have a nice day, we're gonna have a nice week, so we'll probably have this thing dried in before it ever rains. You speed up the whole process, and that just helps on everything.
Yeah, and you know, typically when you're stick framing, you see Tyvek on the side of the house. Can you talk about this green board here and what that does for the
green board is called Zip System. It's a green product. It's made out of compressed. It's like all kinds of wood particles compressed together. It's kind of like an OSB, but on the Zip System, it already has its own membrane that you don't have to put Tyvek or any kind of house wrap on then.
Yeah, that's great. So once the walls are up, what's the next phase of the home building process?
Once the walls are up, then they'll straighten all the walls, make sure everything's perfectly straight, and then they can move on to trusses.
Yeah, like I said, we're on site here. We're building a new home for a developer here in Monroe. We have another house just up the hill from us we're gonna be moving to next once we get that done.
This is Corey, I'm Chad. We'll see you at the next build.